Peace, peace, fam. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Hopefully it is. If it isn't, make it a beautiful one. All right. It's your boy Monte. You know who I am. You know what I do. You know how I get down. We're talking about the restoration of that natural beauty that all of us seek to maintain as we gradually age. All right, guys. And we want aging to be gradual. That's why we need to do specific things. So we're going to deal with that skincare essentials. I have a package that I put together for you guys that's going to guarantee that you see some great results when it comes to your skin. All you got to do, guys, is to take a real close look at the shine on my skin. It's not oily. It's not greasy. It's soft. The skin has been rejuvenated by me doing certain things. We'll get into that a bit later, guys. And again, I have those skincare essentials in the bundle for you guys, affordable for you guys can do for yourself as well. Because it's not just the external application of something, it's the internal things that you need to be doing as well that's going to help to generate that type of skin regeneration that we need. All right, but first of all, we're going to deal with some arthritis issues, guys, because I know many of you guys are dealing with arthritis, and if you're not dealing with arthritis right now, you're likely to be dealing with it down the line. Unfortunately, guys, I'm not trying to put that in the universe so that it can be caught, but it's already in the universe because of the practices that we're doing that is leading to arthritic pain. Arthritis is not a natural phenomenon that is going to happen to the human body that is fed proper nutrient, minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, antimicrobial, antiviral, antifungal type things, all right? So now let's get into those 9 arthritis healing herbs that we are going to talk about real quick. I'm just going to list them for you guys. So we have that aloe vera, we have that boswellia, we have that cat's claw, we have that ginger, we have green tea, we have thunder god vine, we have that turmeric, and we have that eucalyptus, guys. You see a lot of the herbs overlap in some of the properties that they are beneficial in. That's because they're natural foods for the body. All right. Now, also, let's talk about the removal of mucus, because it's going to go a long way in helping the body to heal itself and helping the body with any type of pain or illness that it is dealing with, arthritis included. And it's also going to help the body when it comes to the healing and the regeneration of that glow that we want back into our skin naturally. All right. So you remember I did a video on a live video dealing with skincare essentials and dealing with not only the skincare essentials, dealing with specific ingredients and specific products that you are probably using on a daily basis that have been linked to cancer in the body. Different types of cancers that have been linked to different types of cosmetic products with these specific ingredients in it. All right, now let's break down the skincare essentials that I have for you guys. So again, as you can see, the skin is glowing. Of course, I am trying to sell my product, but I'm not only trying to sell my product because I'm trying to sell it. I'm selling it because I know that it works. And I know that what it is that I'm selling is not only going to be good for the skin, but it's going to be good for the internal workings of the body. Therefore, the skin will be regenerated, and the internal and external applications of these ingredients and these products are going to be what it is that's going to regenerate the skin. It's not going to be just one. It's going to be a combination of external and internal usage that's going to bring forth that type of appearance that we all want. Because again, we want the natural beauty restored, and this is going to be the key to that. And then, guys, we'll talk quickly about how to utilize your religion as a tangible piece of work that would allow you to really bring about change in individuals' life and really bring more of a representation of that which you say that you believe and able to give off to individuals. For those of you who don't know, I'm not religious. I do believe that there's a higher being, no doubt about it. I just don't do the religious construct, all right? But that still doesn't allow me or disqualify me from being able to talk on that real quick, real sweet, and real simple. Now, let's get into that skincare essentials. We're dealing with that hemp skin butter. This is the external application that I've been utilizing on my skin for the last month. Again, I purchased a ton of hemp care products because of the quality of the ingredients that are in the hemp skincare products and the absence of the cancer-causing ingredients, the toxins, the chemicals that are not beneficial to the body are not there and are not in the hemp skin cream butter or the other hemp cosmetic care products that I have. So the first essential that I have as an external essential is the hemp skin cream butter. You see this right here popping up. Also, the Irish moss and sea moss. You want to do the Irish moss and sea moss daily, guys. Irish moss, sea moss daily. It's the same thing, but it has the two names. Sometimes you see it as Irish moss, then others you see it as sea moss. The reason it is so beneficial to the skin and to the body as a whole is because of the magnificent amount of minerals that they have in the Irish moss and the sea moss. All right. Also, that stingy nettle root. Although I initially started using that stingy nettle root in conjunction with that saw palmetto for my prostate issues, the enlargement of my prostate, to reduce that, the effect of the stinging nettle goes far beyond just the reduction of the prostate gland. It also benefits the skin, guys. It's great for removing eczema. It's great for acne. It's great as a weapon against those type of skin irritants. All right. So the stinging nettle root. Also the CBD oil, guys. Many of you guys are mystified by the CBD oil, and you're kind of taken aback by all the properties that individuals say that the CBD oil has. But these things are true if you're getting authentic CBD oil, hemp extract that is authentic. All right. So with the CBD oil, the reason why it's so beneficial for the skin as one of the benefits is because of the maintenance and the vitamin E that is in the CBD oil or in the hemp plant that is extracted into the CBD oil, as well as the fatty acids that are in the body or that are in the CBD oil and provides the body with the essential amount of fatty acids that the body needs. All these things go a long way to help provide a strengthening of the skin, a strengthening of the body from within. So those three things are internal uses. So you see, I only have one use for the external. I have other things that you can utilize externally, but I've focused in on the hemp skincare product. The Irish moss, the stinging nettle, and the CBD oil, these are all internal uses of these products that benefit the skin and the body internally, therefore benefiting the skin externally and producing that regeneration, that rehydration of the skin. Again, I have this in a bundle for you guys, and along with that, you'll receive a free gift as far as the nutrition detox and the fasting protocols that I have valued at $150. I'm getting it to you for free if you purchase that skincare essentials that I have available for you guys. Also, guys, we want to be, like I said, cognizant of what it is that we are consuming. So we want to really lean to more plant-based products in order to ensure that we are getting the most from our body as it concerns rehealing the inside and external appearances of the body. And let's get right into this real quick, dealing with the application of making what it is that you say you believe as a religious construct into something that is tangible, something that is beneficial for those you encounter. You want to be a producer of good, not just a speaker of good. You want to be able to produce results and help individuals to achieve what it is that they're trying to achieve that will better their lives. Again, I said this before, religion, being poor and being spiritual is not a badge of honor. You understand what I'm saying? Not in a capitalistic society. In a capitalistic society, you need currency in order to be able to accomplish the things that you need to accomplish just to be able to live in this society and not be homeless. Poverty is a great inducer of hopelessness. You understand what I'm saying? And many people escape into the religion, and that is where they find hope, which is not a bad thing. If you find hope in that which you believe that is greater than you, that's beautiful. But you have to be able to make these things tangible. We need tangible results. What it is that we are doing that is going to tangibly affect this person's life in the here and now. You understand what I'm saying? So therefore, utilize the religion as a tangible tool to produce viable solutions for individuals in the here and the now. All right, guys, again, support your boy. The product pricing, etc. will be in the description below. I'm sending you peace and love. Peace.